guys. Ganda dito.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
For inspection. Hi, sir. And so guys, we are here now at Hotel Seoul in Pampanga. And we are going to show you kung ano ba ang meron dito sa Hotel Seoul. So baba muna natin ang ating mga gamit. Yan, so guys, we stayed here at the 4th floor. Ito yung kanyang itsura ng kanyang corridor. Ganyan siya. Yan. Mag-room tour muna tayo sa ating staycation. Actually, this is the second time I've been here. So, mag-room tour muna tayo. Okay, sige. Okay, so this is our room. Yan. So, we booked a twin standard room, no guys. So ito yung itsura ng kanyang twin standard room. Malaki siya, meron siyang dalawang beds. Okay po, yun na ba ilaw? Ayan yung kanyang bed dito, guys, no. Tapos yung curtain, yan. Street view tayo. The last time we were here, nasa baba kami. Medyo malaki yung lugar na nakuha namin. Complementary kasi yun eh. But this time, dito tayo. So we got this holiday kasi ngayon ay Christmas season, no? So nasa 6,600 isang room niya with breakfast na nakasama. So yan yung kanyang kama. Malaki naman siya for 2. And then meron siyang safe box. Meron din siyang drawer. And then, ayan, meron siyang lampshade sa gilid. Tapos, meron siyang working table dito. Chair, ayan. Plus, meron siyang LED TV. Tapos, meron din table dito. At merong mirror, ayan. So, malaki rin yung kanyang mga, toilet. So, separate yung shower dito. So, meron siyang, ayan, no, yung mga shampoo and body soap. Tapos, meron siyang cold and hot. Hot and cold siya, no. Tapos, dito may complimentary tayo na Korean Maxim coffee. Yan. Coffee siya. Tapos, meron ding kettle, no. And then, may toothbrush, may toothpaste, may soap, merong disposable na slippers, may umbrellang kasama, yan, tapos may hanger. So, simple lang yung room niya, pero okay naman. Yung toilet, mamaya natin titingnan, may tao. But this is the bathroom, no? Maganda siya. So, yan guys. Lang guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo uli, no, yung mga lugar na pinupuntahan namin, kinakainan namin, tinutulugan namin, pinapasyalan namin. So this is a sort of diary for me as well, and of course a sort of sharing para doon sa mga nanonood sa akin, para kung gusto niyo ring may matutunan and you want to visit sometime itong mga places na pinupuntahan ko, at least you already have an idea. So yan siya. This is Hotel Seoul. Mamaya iikot tayo, ipapakita natin kung ano yung itsura sa labas, no? Yung unang video ko, pwede nyo ring i-search yun. Nag-stay na rin ako dito before. And then, pinakita ko yung inistayan naming place doon, no? Yung aming room. Plus, yung amenities din nitong Hotel Seoul. And then, tomorrow, we will have our breakfast buffet. At ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo yung mga pagkain na available dito. So, guys, ito ang toilet nila. So, yan. May bidet sila. Then, may toilet paper. Nagamit na yung towel. But they have towels here. Yan yung kanilang sink. Faucet. And then, they have a big mirror here. Yan. Maganda siya, guys. I think ito pag lalagay ka ng mga toothbrush. Yan. So, yan guys. Ganito yung itsura ng room dito. Yun lang guys. Again, another sharing experience. I hope you liked it. And please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also if you want to share our videos. And please do support us, our channel, para makagawa pa kami ng maraming vlogs na pwede ninyong matutunan or ma-share namin sa inyo pa. So, yun lang guys. Short vlog lang to with the room dito sa Hotel Seoul sa Clark, Pampanga. So, again, panoorin niyo po yung iba pa naming mga vlogs. And again, nasabi ko kanina, tomorrow will be a breakfast. We will try the breakfast. At i-vlog natin ulit yung mga pagkain na dito tomorrow. Yan guys, thanks for watching. Bye!